Hello everybody. Today we're going to take a look at Sparki. Sparki is a pre-made robot that students can use to do simple tasks. Sparki uses code based off the programming language C++. So by using Sparki, you are learning a real programming language. Now let's get started. After putting batteries in Sparki, you will want to plug Sparki into your computer using the USB cable that came with Sparki. Then you want to download the Sparki software onto your computer by going to this website. Once everything is installed, you are ready to start programming. When everything is done downloading, you want to open it. The first thing you'll see is something similar to this. Before we get started, we have to make sure everything is in place. So go to the tool settings, and under port, you want to make sure it's under the correct USB port that says Sparki. And also under the board, you also want to get the board that says Sparki. Now let's take a look at an example that Sparki already comes with. To do this, you want to go up to File, Examples, and scroll all the way down to Remote. This will open a pre-made program that will enable you to use the remote that came with Sparki. To upload this code, you want to go to the top left-hand corner of your screen and hit the arrow. This will automatically compile and upload your code to Sparki. Once this is completed, you can then use your remote to control Sparki. Alright, now let's take a look at some of the methods to help you guys program Sparki. So the first thing you want to do is put this line of code right in here. This makes sure that you are using Sparki's code and Sparki's library. This means when you call any methods I'm about to show you, Sparki will actually do something. Under the void setup, you're going to put nothing. This setup or this method is for people who want to set up variables or clear your LEDs if you need to do that. But it runs once every time Sparki runs the program. However, the loop continues to run as fast as it can. So this is where we're going to put all our code. Before we start, if you put anything in this code, it's going to continuously run. So keep in mind, if you're moving it forward, you're going to need to stop it eventually. Alright? So the first method we're going to do is moving Sparki forward. So to do this, we want to type in Sparki.move forward. Make sure the F in forward is capitalized. And put these parentheses and then a semicolon. What this will do is move Sparki forward. When you run it, be careful because all it's going to do is move forward. It's not going to stop, it's not going to do anything, there's nothing you can do to stop it. Alright, the next one we're going to do is Sparki.move backward. Make sure backward is capitalized, parentheses, semicolon. This moves Sparki backwards. Alright, so we have forward and backwards. Simple enough? Alright, I'm just going to copy Sparki real quick, that way I don't have to keep typing it, because most of these methods require you to write Sparki first. So, next method, Sparki dot move right, semicolon. What this will do is rotate Sparki clockwise. Now, to do counterclockwise, we want to do Sparki dot move left, semicolon. This will rotate Sparki counterclockwise. The last two methods we're going to learn are the grips. The grips in the front that can open up and close. So these methods, what you want to do is do Sparki dot gripper, open, parentheses, semicolon, and Sparki dot gripper closed. What this will do is open the gripper and then close the gripper. But be careful, because Sparki does not have a sensor to tell if it's open or closed all the way. So if you're trying to close it all the way and it's already still touching and you're still trying to close it, you're going to break the motor. So be careful. How is Sparki useful? Sparki allows for students to learn how to program in a similar language to C++. And by learning how to program Sparki, they are actually learning how to write real code. Sparki is also good for students who are interested in robots and code. Many schools don't offer classes based solely on robots, so this allows for students to expand their creativity and explore their interests.